This time, instead of showing you what's going inside my camera case, I'm going to show you what's coming out. Yeah, French Bulldogs. TSA doesn't like French Bulldogs in camera cases. This time, fear isn't coming with me. Bella Bella, you gonna be good for the babysitter? Yeah? How about you, Murphy? You gonna be good? Get off the camera. You're gonna be good? Okay. Samson? Samson's always good. Just like that, we're at the airport. I'll get back to you guys after we go through security. You ready to go to Maui?
It's too early for that.
What a great husband I am. I make my wife get the luggage off the bag so I can get the shot. I'm not going to focus this vlog on my fear because I'm obviously getting over it, and I think vlogging two trips in a row within 8 days of each other has really helped out a lot. So this time I'm just going to take you on my travels to waterfalls, trying to get an open door helicopter ride and the bamboo forest, stuff like that. Hopefully you guys stick around and we'll have some fun. But if you notice the title of the video, Maui Secret Waterfall, I think I know how to get there, and if you stick around, I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to show you how to get there. It's the good word, everybody. Sorry for the lack of vlogging today. Today was a travel day, so it was really difficult. Airport's just super loud. But yeah, we've just been swimming in the water. The water's warm as hell. I mean, super warm. I got Nadia finally not yelling at me because she's in Maui and not traveling. So I have some more vlogging tomorrow. Tell you more about our adventures that we're gonna do. But right now, me and Nadia are gonna enjoy the sunset. Talk to you guys later. So what you guys don't see when I do this vlogging stuff right now is that I forgot to turn my mic on, so I have to do this whole thing all over again. But today is day 2 in Maui. We just booked a really cool, exciting tour. We got an open door helicopter ride for Wednesday, going over the Molokai Cliffs and the West Maui waterfalls. So we're gonna go check that out. I've never done an open ride helicopter before. I think it's gonna be I think I'm gonna get some pretty sweet footage. Just a relaxing pool day today, planning our excursions for the rest of the week. Wednesday, epic helicopter ride. I hope you guys stick around because we still got the secret waterfall that I am going to reveal at the end of the video. That's all I got for you guys. I got to go get back to the wife. And can you also please do me a favor and hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, help my channel grow, and hit those bell for notifications if you want to see when I post a new video. I'm just trying to learn this YouTube stuff. I'm just like you guys. I'm learning everything on the fly. But I do appreciate everyone who's watched my last video, and hopefully this video can be equally as entertaining as the last one. But I'm out for now. I will catch you guys later. Oh, you thought I was going to stop the camera? Nope. Had to pull over the side of the road because we just saw, looks like a pretty popular surfing location. What do you say we look at some Hawaii surfers? is irritating the crap out of me with this audio book app type thing. An audio app tour guide. And this guy's got the most annoying voice in the world. Hit play. Anyways, it's an app that's super cheesy. When you hit a marker on the certain point of the road, it...
You mean it's informative?
It's not informative.
It's a lot of fun facts.
It's not even fun to listen to.
We should be able to get a great...
There he goes, here he goes. He's back on.
It's the last full-service town until we get all the way to Hana in a few hours from now.
Yeah, but it's
Traffic
so bad.
becomes congested as we approach. Suggest we remember.
It's a good place to set the mood for our drive.
Is to stop
You hear that?
and smell the roses along the way. Although around here, it's more like pineapples and sugarcane.
All right, we had to make a pit stop going through the road to Hana. The roads are just so windy that you get car sick pretty easy. So Nadia was getting pretty car sick, and there just so happened to be a little rest stop area with a beautiful view with us. Come on, babe. Tell him about the road to Hana.
I'm really car sick right now, babe. Put him on my face.
That means I have to take the camera away from her. So this is the furthest up the road to Hana that we've ever been, and we just came across this little shopping town or cafe town called, let me read the sign, Nahiku. I just stopped at the cafe, got an Americano and some macadamia nut banana bread, which is delicious. But if you guys ever do the road to Hana and make it all the way to Hana, not just see the waterfalls and everything, you gotta come check this place out. We are still driving to the bamboo forest, but we just had to pull over because I can't get through this trip without showing you this view. Hold on a second. Make sure I don't get hit by a car. Look at this. All right. Oh, get the right angle. So we made it through the bamboo forest all the way to Waimoku Falls. Say, what's it called again? Waimoku Falls. It was a pretty good hike, but the bamboo forest was, oh my, it was breathtaking. We got some really good shots. Hopefully you guys like the B-roll that I got in the bamboo forest, but I highly recommend it. This waterfall right here, we actually crossed the line that says do not cross because people die here because boulders fall right off here. And we've already seen and heard some boulders fall. So if you do come out this way, be really careful. We had a blast, and now we're gonna go find a spot to camp on the beach.